blasting. Blasting means mining. Blasting means mining industry. Blasting means mining industry. Normally the surface of the mining, normally the surface of the mining contains strong mineral, contains strong strata or mineral. So it is not easy. So it is not easy to remove them. Not easy to remove them with excavators. With excavators. So that time we use mining blasting or normally blasting process. Remove with the excavator. So that time we use blasting in mines. Blasting in mines for loosening the strata of the mining surface. Loosening the strata of the mining surface. So that time we require blasting for loosening the surface of the mines, for loosening the surface of the mineral, for loosening the surface of the rock. Blasting are mainly two types. Blasting are mainly two types. First one is your primary blasting. Then second one is your secondary blasting. Primary blasting means switch process take for which process take for fast blasting. That is known as primary blasting. Sometimes after primary blasting, sometimes after primary blasting sometime after primary blasting, some rock some rock or strata, some rock or strata are not clustered properly, not clustered properly due to many reasons, due to many reasons. That may be improper blasting, improper blasting process, that may be less explosive use, less explosive use, that may be human error, that may be human error, or sometimes that may be improper connection, improper connection. That time we prefer secondary blasting. Whenever a primary blasting is failure, that time we prefer secondary blasting. The secondary blasting is mainly two types. That is box shooting, and plaster shooting. First one is your box shooting, then plaster shooting. Some authors are also mentioned that one another secondary blasting is also green pattern or snake type. Green pattern, green blasting or pattern also a part of secondary blasting. So now we understand what is box shooting. Whenever a large boulder like rock is attacked, whenever a large boulder like rock is attacked are not separate from the parent rod. Parent rod means the original rod that not separated from the parent rod. That time we prefer box shooting appreciated the rock is attached with the original parent rock. That time we prefer soft shooting. That time we prefer a blasting hole. Blasting hole, the bottom part of the we prefer a blasting hole, the bottom part of the rock surface to the boulder strata. So here is the blasting hole, and we put explosive in the hole, and a detonator connection is before a detonator connection is attached to the explosive for connecting or supplying the power supply. That may be electrical power, that may be electrical battery power. Here one person is stand, that distance is 500 meter, 100 meter, the distance is 100 meter according to the regulation. According to the regulation. That time the short fire or blaster take place. Here that place also covered with shelters. Covered with shelter-like structures. Why? Because the flying rock are attacked. The flying rock are attacked to the blaster or shot fire. To the blaster or shot fire. So they both are hidden in a blast shelter. That is the place is also known as blast shelter. That is place is known as blast shelter. That there the blaster and shot fire are stay for safe. Then they put the charger connection or conventional type battery support to blasting the explosive. That time whenever the explosive is blasting, the rock is disconnected, the rock is separated from the original parent rock. That process is known as pop shooting. Then we discuss other process, plaster shooting. The other process is plaster shooting. Whenever the boulder-like strata are separated from the original parent rock. From the original parent rock. From the original parent rock. But they are in big size. That time we prefer secondary blasting of plaster shooting. We prefer plaster shooting. That time we prefer plaster shooting of secondary blasting. The figure is just like the stemming and the explosive ratio 1:3. The stemming dot explosive. Stemming explosive ratio 1 equal to your stemming or 3 your explosive. That may be if 1%, that may be if the whole length is 9 meters. If whole length is 9 meters, then we put stemming height is 3 meter and explosive height. Then we put stemming height is stemming height is 3 meter and explosive height is or explosive length is length is 6 meters. Like for top fitting, here also a short wire or adapter, they both are connected. The explosive to the detonator and same way, and they both are rest or same way in place of rest center. And that like here also the process of top fitting follow and blasting process continue. Whenever the blasting process is completed, then the rock is fragmented like that like structure. After the fragment, we prefer the excavator or bulldozer to load. After the rock fragment, we prefer the excavator. Or bulldozer. The excavator or bulldozer for loading. Loading the fragment material. Loading the fragment material to the dumpers. For transport the blasting material to the plant. Transport the plastic material to the crusher. Then the crusher again fragment. The golden leg strata. convert a small pieces for use of for use or repair of for use or repair size of the plant. That is the process of secondary clustering and primary clustering. Then we discuss the connection way of clustering. Now we discuss the connection way of